Hello everyone! In this video, I'm gonna be creating Con Kirby from Kirby and the Forgotten Land game. These are the materials I'm using for this creation. I'm using cardboard and masking tape to create the Con armature. I'm cutting it to the right size and then I will attach it to the base using masking tape. For the base, I'm using a piece of orange clay flattened with the pasta machine. I'm using gloves so I don't leave fingerprints on the figure. I want it to be perfect. Here I'm using clay softener to smooth the clay and remove any imperfection it may have. Here I'm curing the clay. It's not a full bake, but it will help me move forward without having to worry about damaging a part. I discovered this trick recently and it's been helping me speed things up. Now I'm creating the filling for the body using masking tape. I should have used paper towel and aluminum foil fudges. Now I'm creating the body using pink clay. In this step, I realized the filling was too weak. This was not a good choice, and I had to bake it and then add a second layer of clay to fix the imperfections. Here I'm working with a second layer of pink clay, and now it looks great. I like how it's looking so far. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of it? Now let's create the face details. I'm refining the details using the X-Acto knife. And I'm using the heat gun to quickly cure the details each time I use a different color. Check out other Kirby Mouthful Mold figures I made in the channel. Let me know in the comments which Kirby Mouthful Mold you want me to do next. Now let's create the arms and feet. I'm using 2 balls of pink clay for the arms and red clay for the feet. I love how it looks, and the size is perfect. It ended up being a little bit bigger than the ring mouth Kirby. The Con body was the most difficult part to get it right. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to watch the next Kirby I'm working on.